want to give your photos a special mood on the iPhone. Unfortunately, built-in apps won't do it. But with the help of third-party apps, it's possible. Watch the video to the end and it will be interesting. Before we start, make sure to install at least one of those two apps. In this video, I'm going to show you the example in the InShot app, so you can install just the InShot. So, firstly, we need to open it, agree to some permissions, and now if you select photo, you won't be able to add music to the photo with this way. So we are going to choose video first, and then on the top you should see this panel, so from the video switch to photo. Now pick a photo and then click this check mark on the bottom. After that, you can click on the photo here and make it longer to be able to fit to the music, so you can make it 2 minutes long and so on. Also, you can trim it here and add some stickers, but we are interested in this icon for audio. By clicking it, you can click on the music, and then you'll be able to choose imported music, local, and also choose something random from the app's suggested options. For example, we can select this one. So, tap on the cloud icon to download it and then click use. After that, it will appear right here, so you can just press and hold it and adjust according to your photo. Then just click the check mark. Then you can also listen it right away. And as you can see, it's working. To save it to your device, you are gonna just tap on this little share icon on the top, choose resolution, frame rate, format, and then click save. And now it is saved, so let's open up the photos, and here it is. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.